George Carlos. Joseph Dyer. All rise. Come before the Reno Court is now in session. Judge Kennard presiding.
Let's be seated. Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome, sir.
Lee versus Zach Coughlin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. I have before me 13 CR 03913, which alleges the offense of harassment in workplace protection order. Are you familiar with that violation?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish it read? Do you wish me to read the charge to you?
That you just mentioned the one case, Your Honor.
We'll get to the next one.
Okay.
Do you wish me to read the charge to you?
Yes, sir. If you wouldn't mind.
The above-named defendant did violate Nevada Revised Statute 33.350, violation of a temporary or extended order for protection against harassment in the workplace, as incorporated through Reno Municipal Code 1.04.015, to wit. The Reno Justice Court issued a temporary order for the protection against harassment in the workplace on December 20th, 2012, with an expiration date of January 4th, 2013. This order prohibited the defendant or an agent of the defendant from contacting the Nevada State Bar. The defendant was served this order on December 26, 2012. On January 3, 2013, the defendant had a male individual contact the location attempting to file documents on behalf of the defendant. As to that charge, what is your plea?
Your Honor,
As to that charge, what is your plea?
I intend to plead not guilty, Your Honor.
You enter a plea of not guilty.
Your Honor, may I?
There is probable cause to support the allegation. Mr. Coughlin, is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter? I'm asking you some very simple, straightforward responses, and it's typical with you. You've got to dance around the issues all the time. Is it your intention to represent yourself, or will you retain counsel to assist you in this matter?
Your Honor, I was filling out the indigency application here, but what I filed prior to court here today.
We're not going to address that.
Okay. It was seeking I'm seeking if I may have a co-counsel arrangement, I'd like to do that. If not, I'd prefer to proceed.
We're not going to address that now. What we're going to do, this is an arraignment proceeding. I'm not going to review any pleadings because it has not been assigned to a department. The department assigned will make those decisions regarding any motions that you file. Understood?
It was my intent to seek a continuance today, Your Honor, of the arraignment.
On what basis?
I don't believe I've been served a summons, and it's my understanding part of bail analysis would involve determining the likelihood of a conviction. I believe it would be necessary for me to review the police report and the summons.
I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. There is probable cause to support the allegation. I see no necessity of continuing this arraignment process. We'll proceed then to 13 CR 03914, there is a charge of harassment in the workplace.
Your Honor.
You wish me to read that charge to you?
No, sir. Your Honor, but
What is your plea to that violation?
if I can preserve something from the last case, Your Honor.
What is your plea to that charge?
It is not guilty as well.
Well, in her plea of not guilty,
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I wish to seek a.
Mr. Coughlin, don't speak over me. I've told you that any number of times. I don't want to go down the contempt road once again. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There is probable cause to support the allegation. When your plea of not guilty, both matters will be set for trial. I've attached your motion to those cases. The motion will be addressed in the department that is assigned. Anything further?
May I preserve some things for the record, Your Honor?
What is it you want to preserve?
If it's all right with the court, if I could preserve them in writing later, not to give any more of the court's time today.
I beg your pardon?
If it pleases the court, Your Honor, could I preserve them in writing and file them so as not to...
Of course, you can always file something.
Okay, it's just...
Have a seat, sir, and we'll give you a trial date.
Can I say anything further?
Have a seat, we'll give you a trial date.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Do you want his LP out?
Pardon?
Do you want his LP out?
Yeah, we're good. City versus Dylan Brandon. And then we'll address City versus Cameron Betancourt. If you'd step forward and take the chair right there. Mr. Brandon, were you in the courtroom this afternoon when the videotape was played?
Yes, sir.
And did you listen to your rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions regarding those rights?
Yes, sir.
So I have a charge of driving under the influence of alcohol alleged to have occurred on January 28th of this year. Do you understand that violation?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish the charge read to you?
No, sir.
What is your plea to the violation?
Not guilty.
I'm sorry?
Not guilty.
There is probable cause to support the allegation. We'll enter your plea of not guilty. The matter will be set for trial. I've reviewed your application for court-appointed lawyer. I will appoint that attorney to represent you in this matter. Any questions? Have a seat and we'll give you the information. Thank you. City versus Cameron Betancourt. And if you would, sir, have a seat right over here and the marshal will assist you momentarily. Thank you. Mr. Betancourt, were you in the courtroom when the videotape was played?
Yes.
Did you listen